This is the moment. This is the day when I settle out and devil's underway. Every endeavor I have made ever is coming into play. Is here and now today. This is the moment. This is the time. The momentum and the moment.